Okay, this little 20-pound propane tank has been devalved, degassed, and turned into a small wood stove. This would be for a hunting blind or ice shack. And let's go into it. There's no welding here. This is all just a drill and angle grinder. And I got a floor flange for my smoke exhaust pipe. And you're just gonna this pipe is just here for a demo. So you're just gonna use that size for your straight pipe going out for your exhaust. And my underfire grate is part of the old valve assembly, and it's just a long bolt with a big washer, the hole cut. I got a flange over the hole, and that'll be closed, open, closed, open. It's that simple. The door is cut off another tank so that it's oversized and over seals this so no smoke leaks out. You can see how tight that will enable it to be. You don't need any rope caulk or any kind of door sealing if you do it right. The bottoms, the top cut off another tank, and it's just been where the hole is for the valve, and it's just been bolted right through the bottom. Open up my door. My door hinge, by the way, is just an old cabinet hinge. Any hinge will work. All my bolts are 5/16. I got a spring on the door so I don't burn my fingers when I open it, and it's just cut steel, thin gauge plate for my door lever. And if you do this right and set the tension right, it'll be that easy. See how I did that, how I bent that, and 2 bolts in. That's all there is to it. Small door opening for small wood or coal. You can, the lighting in here isn't good, but you can almost make out my underfire grate. Keep the wood off the bottom, keep good airflow going. There's the interior of my underfire. You can see the bolts. And remember, whenever you build a stove, you want this door to be on the bottom because that allows this top to be a smoke chamber. Then you can open and close the door without getting a face full of smoke. Very good tip. And also, you want to avoid this main weld seam. All these tanks are 2 tanks put together, and they got a main folded weld here. And if you put the door over that, you'll have to grind that down or to make it flush. And there you go. What a wonderful little stove. And this baby will crank some heat because the tank itself is 8-gauge steel, very thick. So you get the radiative benefit of heat. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this project and build it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.